Make sure you watch through the end, because I will cover what this may cost. Have you noticed reduced driving range in a 2021 Tesla Model 3 or 2021 Tesla Model Y? This usually shows up as fewer miles at 100% charge than you are used to. You might also feel like the battery percentage drops faster on the same commute. That can lead to more charging stops, even though your driving habits did not change. This is a service bulletin that shows up as a manufacturer communication, not a safety recall, and the ID is SB2116003 with campaign number 10.0208324. The core issue is inside the high-voltage battery pack. The bulletin says some packs were built with cell separators that did not meet internal quality standards. When that happens, the result can be reduced usable range over time. At the service visit, the first step is confirming your vehicle is on the affected VIN list. Then they typically run battery checks to confirm the range concern matches this condition. The recommended correction is not a software tweak or a small part swap. The correction is replacement of the high-voltage battery pack. That is also the most common outcome owners report after service evaluates the pack. Here is the simple why behind it. A separator is the thin insulating layer between battery materials inside each cell. If separator quality is off, the battery can lose usable capacity or build higher resistance. To protect the pack, the system may limit how much energy it lets you use, which feels like lost range. Before you schedule service, note your displayed range at full charge and when the drop started. Bring those details, because it helps the service team confirm the pattern quickly. Now stick around to the end for the cost. At the dealership, the common fix is simple but major. They confirm the battery pack is the root cause, then replace the high-voltage battery pack. In many cases, the replacement pack is a refurbished unit, not a factory new one. After installation, they run checks and confirm normal charging and range behavior. If your car is still under the battery warranty, the repair is often covered. If it is out of warranty, the service center usually offers a full pack replacement only. In owner communities, the most common complaint is a noticeable range drop that feels sudden. People say the car still drives fine, but the miles just are not there. Another common complaint is inconsistent answers at service visits. Some owners feel told it is normal until tests finally show a real defect. People also complain about delays because battery packs can take time to source. Some mention being surprised by what type of replacement pack they receive. As for do-it-yourself fixes, many owners try recalibrating the battery display. That can help the estimate, but it cannot restore lost capacity from a bad pack. Some owners also check tire pressure and driving conditions to rule out simple causes. Those steps help diagnosis, but they do not solve the underlying separator issue. If the dealer replaces the pack out of warranty, a realistic range is about $12,000 to $22,000. The exact number depends on pack type, labor, and taxes. Independent EV shops are sometimes cheaper, but options vary by location. A typical range is about $10,000 to $18,000 when parts and labor are included. One more thing to plan for is towing or transport if the car cannot be driven. That can add a few $100s depending on distance. If you are seeing reduced range in a 2021 Model 3 or 2021 Model Y, get it documented early. The sooner it is verified, the clearer your repair options become. Like, subscribe, and comment about your experience below.